Peace be upon you. Why did God order to disregard the sight, and did not order us regardless of what happened to me? The words of God Almighty, and you see them looking at you, and they do not see. Through this verse put to anyone that there is a tree truth. Linguistic difference between sight and sight is seeing things without using the mind, and therefore not surrounding the person. And this happens a lot when someone asks you what color is the shirt that he is wearing. Black. You say to him, I don't know. And sight is that the mind and concentration are used in it to completely surround the person. And by differentiating between sight and sight, we know why religion ordered us to turn a blind eye, and not order the look so we can look at the woman and the man. To run the daily business of transactions to record life, and no more than the required limit. And the perceptions move the sight, turns into sight, and from this comes the pressure. And this is why God Almighty said, tell the believers to close their eyes, and said, and tell the believers to close their eyes, and listen, when the words of the Quran are accurate. When they sleep by practicing in cocoa, he commands us to look, not by sight. And he says, don't they look at the camels, how they were created? And don't they look at the sky? Let man look at what he created in all this life. He uses sight because these verses are miraculous and no one can surround them. And the development with its components. So look first in this onion, and God knows best, and peace and mercy of God be upon you.